this one's for Fudzy. I'm gonna show you where I had all my cyano. This finger leather is the only guy who's still upset from the lights out. I don't think it was the chemiclean, but part of him's starting to pop back up again. He wasn't very happy. So this rock was covered every day, had to blow it off every day. The Gorgonia and these Zoas were caked with cyano every day. Had to clean them and turkey baster them off every day. That whole rock would be covered. This rock would be covered quite a bit too. And then up here, all these rocks, the right side of them would just be covered. Blow them off every day. So like this half the tank, the left half, had cyano everywhere. And you can see I got water flow. The gyres pick up and slow down throughout the day on their own, but there's always flow on the bottom, across the sand bed. Sometimes way more than what you're seeing now. So I don't know why it happened. It wasn't water flow. I had good flow up top, flow in the middle, and like I said, throughout the day there's usually a whole lot more. Over here, this rock would be covered with cyano. This area in here where the aptasia are, covered with cyano, and it's totally clean right now. Everything's very clean. So, chemiclean, follow the instructions on the box. I'll be getting back into my routine with this tank once every 4 months, use it whether it needs it or not. And it keeps things pretty clean. Simple instructions to follow. They're all on the back of the box.